Information management has been an intense field of research in computer science for many years. So in early 2000s, Google achieved a major improvement with its search engine and was able to understand the meaning of words instead of just searching for keyword matches. Within the last 3 years, advances in artificial intelligence and deep learning have brought a major breakthrough in natural language understanding. Now, for those who are not really familiar with natural language understanding, it's simply the ability for machines to really understand what's being said in natural language, whether it's written, whether it's spoken. You may be familiar with one of the common applications actually, which are the famous chatbots that can automatically understand and answer any questions within any client support. But the possibilities of these technologies in the information management are just enormous. Before we dive, I would say, into the competitive intelligence, let's take a minute to understand what is deep learning and what makes it so disruptive for the next decade. So while traditional softwares are developed and tuned by developer teams, deep learning software actually teaches itself from data. Artificial intelligence, it's not just a single technology, it's a broad set of technologies, of tools, broad set of methods that can learn and self-improve. So each iteration is increasing its precision and the ability to accurately predict outcome in real life. It's really amazing as the performance of this type of software is really increasing exponentially. So you can see that artificial intelligence, it's not the future really, it's really here, it's now. While some of what can be achieved with AI remains to be seen, many companies are already experiencing transformative outcomes. So today, deep learning is already powering mainstream computing platforms. So some of the applications you may know, you may be very familiar with include so things such as conversational computers, autonomous vehicles, consumer apps for recommendations. So a quick example of recommendation, TikTok uses deep learning for video recommendations, and it's growing its user base 10 times faster than Snapchat, thanks to that. Now, according to the international benchmark GLUE, with deep learning, machines are already capable of understanding natural language with really the same precision as humans. So for instance, if you took the example of translation tasks, machines are making even fewer mistakes than a real translator. Don't hate me for that. But what makes it a disruptive technology? It's really the processing capacity of machines that massively outperform humans and without any limits. And this, considering the exponential growth in our capacity to scale computing power to meet our specific needs. So think really about what this would mean for your CI team. Now, how do machines really understand natural language? And why is this so important for competitive intelligence? So to answer the question, so here I listed some of the key building blocks you may find in artificial intelligence platforms in general that you're supposed to find in the AI platforms that aim to process and analyze information. So you can see that some of the main tasks would include media to text that would convert videos, images, and audio into text. Okay, so you have the translation task that would capture conversations on local media without even knowing the language. You have the summarization, which is aimed to increase the analyst reading productivity by 100. You have the named entity recognition. So here the objective is to disambiguate meaning by relying on concepts rather than keywords. So for example, Apple, which could mean a company versus apple, the fruit. Okay. You have the classification, which aims to automatically classify a text into a taxonomy. You can organize content by topic and concept, recommend related readings, clusterize information. The sentiment analysis. So this aims to extract sentiment of an analyst, of a consumer, related to a specific product, related to a specific brand, an industry, a topic. You have the search model tasks, which dramatically removes noise from search tasks with context-based search. And finally, the knowledge graph, which understands how concepts and entities are connected together around one topic, one specific topic. Okay, so when plugged together, these building blocks bring a lot of value to information management systems. So in competitive intelligence, it allows companies to achieve a true 360-degree monitoring of their business environment. So by processing by analyzing any content in any language in real time, such as who are the key players in your industry? What are they doing? Who are they partnering with? Are they launching any new product? What are they investing in? So where are they expanding? You can also automatically discover new concepts, new innovations, just by moving to a more systematic approach. So within the next decade, advances in deep learning technologies will allow this type of system to predict quite accurately future outcomes by constantly learning from past events.